How to mute someone on Viber without knowing them. Hello and welcome to my channel, and in this video I will tell you how easy it is to turn off the sound of notifications from someone, and that person will not know about it in the app Viber. Everything is very simple, you just need to follow me step by step to avoid any mistakes. First, go to the Viber application and find a contact in the list of your chats, where you need to turn off the sound from notifications. Then click on the chat with this person and then click on the username at the top of the chat and just click on the chat info and settings option. Then you need just to find the option mute chat. It means that you to turn off the sound from the notifications calls or SMS from the given user. You just need to click and turn this option on, and that's it. Now you know how easy it is to turn off the sound of the notifications in the application Viber, so that a person does know about it. Thank you for watching.